You're looking at the BMW 7 Series 760i, a luxury sedan that doesn't whisper opulence, it roars it. This isn't just a car, it's a statement on wheels, blending German engineering, futuristic tech, and road, dominating performance into one breathtaking package. At the heart of the 760i is a 4-liter twin, turbocharged V8 engine that punches out a staggering 536 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque, mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission and BMW xdrive all-wheel drive system. This beast launches from 0 to 60 in just 4.1 seconds. For a full-size luxury sedan that weighs over 2 tons, that's nothing short of mind-blowing. But performance is just the beginning. The 760i's design speaks to those who demand presence. Its massive kidney grills, split headlight design with Swarovski crystal elements, and sculpted lines make sure every arrival feels like a red carpet event. The long wheelbase gives it that stretched limousine vibe, while the 21-inch wheels and aggressive front fascia deliver the edge it needs to stand out. Step inside, and you're not entering a cabin. You're entering a tech-powered luxury suite. Ambient lighting wraps around the cockpit like a halo. The iDrive 8.5 infotainment system sits atop the dashboard with a 14.9-inch touchscreen seamlessly integrated with a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster. Everything from navigation to climate control responds with buttery, smooth precision, voice control, gesture control, haptic feedback. It's all here, making every interaction feel like second nature. And then there's the rear seat experience, arguably the crown jewel of the 760i. BMW offers the executive lounge package that turns the back seat into a first-class lounge. Reclining seats with footrests, heated armrests, massaging features, and even a massive 31-inch 8K theater screen that folds down from the roof. Rear passengers might not want the ride to end. The Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround sound system, with up to 36 speakers, delivers crystal clear audio that transforms your favorite song into a live concert. Every note, every beat is rich, full, and immersive. BMW didn't just stuff the 7 Series with tech and power, it wrapped it all in layers of comfort, safety, and intelligence. Advanced driver assist features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and highway assistant make long trips a breeze. The car can even self-park with the touch of a button. Materials throughout the cabin are top shelf. Merino leather, real wood, crystal accents. It's a sensory overload in the best way possible. Even the scent system can be customized, delivering subtle fragrances through the air vents. Driving the 760i is an experience in itself. You're cocooned in silence, thanks to incredible sound insulation and active noise cancellation. The adaptive air suspension soaks up bumps and glides over the pavement. But switch it into sport mode, and suddenly the 760i tightens up. The exhaust growls, and you're reminded this car has BMW DNA baked into its bones. The BMW 760i isn't for everyone, and that's the point. It's for the few who want everything: performance, technology, comfort, and presence, without compromise. It's not just about going fast or being pampered. It's about having both, all the time, in a car that feels like the future wrapped in luxury. This is BMW Flagship for a reason. The 760i isn't just a sedan. It's a rolling masterpiece, and once you're behind the wheel, there's no going back.